A collection of 100 intact 26th dynasty coffins were unearthed in Egypt's Saqqara necropolis, in addition to golden funerary masks and a collection of 40 wooden statues of Saqqara goddess Ptah Sokr, some of which are gilded. Excavation conducted by the Egyptian Archaeological Mission working in the Saqqara necropolis resulted in discovery of three 12-meter deep shafts closed for more than 2,500 years, containing 100 intact, sealed and painted and coffins. During the announcement, a CT scan was conducted on a mummy in one of the coffins. It was revealed that the deceased died in his 40s, was 175 centimeters tall, healthy and did not suffer any fatal disease. Bassem Gihad, who conducted the scan, said that the deceased was perfectly mummified with his arms crossed on his chest in a position known in ancient Egypt as the Osiris shape. Khalid Al-Anani, the Minister of Tourism and Antiquities, said that it is a great discovery in 2020, asserting that it is not the lost one. He added that only 1% of the antiquities buried in Saqqara necropolis were discovered, pointing out that many other discoveries will follow. Al-Anani stated a discovery made by renowned Egyptologist Zay Hawass will be announced soon in Saqqara. He explained that the coffins will be distributed among the Cairo Museum in Tahrir, the Grand Egyptian Museum, and the National Museum of Egyptian Civilization. The Egyptian Archaeological Mission made throughout the past years a number of important discoveries in Saqqara, the last of which was in October when the mission unearthed 59 painted coffins with mummies in a good condition of top officials and priests from the 26th dynasty. A short film released by the Ministry of Tourism and Antiquities to coincide with the discovery described the Saqqara necropolis as a sacred place where the rich and powerful wanted to be buried. The video showed many statues of animals, figurines, as well as intact and sealed coffins. The Secretary General of the Supreme Council of Antiquities, Mustafa Waziri, explained in the film that the coffins were well sealed, adding that because there was no chemical reaction, no air inside the coffins were in perfect condition of preservation.